Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Today we are talking about something very helpful. If you are learning English online or any other language, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will talk about how to choose the right Preply tutor. Before we start, just a small reminder, if you want links, updates or more information, please check the description below. I always put helpful things there for you and I keep it updated, so check that out. Okay, so let's begin. So maybe you already know about Preply. It's a website where you can find English or any other language tutor and you can learn one-on-one. But many people feel confused, like there are so many tutors, how do I choose one that is good for you? Let's talk about in a simple way. First thing you should always do is look at the tutor's video. Most tutors on Preply make a short video to say hello and talk about their lesson. When you watch that, you can understand how they talk, their accent, and if you feel comfortable with them, don't skip that. Also, when you look at their profile, see if they talk about your goals, like do you want to speak fluently or learning grammar or prepare for IELTS. Try to find a tutor who talks about that in their profile. That means they understand what you want. Another thing is to check their availability. You don't want to book someone and later find out their time doesn't match with your time. So check the schedule and see if their time works for you. Now it's very important to send a message to the tutor before you book. Just say something simple like, "Hi, I want to improve my speaking for daily life. Can you help?" If they reply kindly or clearly, that's a good sign for you. Some tutors reply fast, some don't. So that's also something to notice. Also, if you are nervous or shy, it's okay to tell the tutor that. A good tutor will make you feel comfortable and help you speak slowly without pressure. During the trial lesson, you can check how the tutor teaches. Are they listening to you? Are they correcting your mistakes nicely? Do they use simple words if you don't understand something? If it's, that's the good tutor. And don't forget to look at student reviews. These are helpful. You can read what other people say about this tutor. Were they helpful, friendly or professional? So yeah, choosing a Preply tutor is not difficult, but you just need to look carefully and take your time. The right tutor can make your English or other language learning faster, easier and even fun. Thanks for watching. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to check the description below for Preply link and many more. And subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.